Now, I'm walking and talking while I'm doing this because I got here really late. So Leon told me, he said, get here by about 8 o'clock or so, because it's going to take you a while to get out there. I had some things I had to take care of, so I didn't get out here till 1. He said, hey man, you got an hour, you're going to get locked in here because I'm running a tow service in the afternoon and evening, and you'll be locked in here until 9:30, 10 o'clock at night. So I do plan on coming back out here later next week, but I did want to get out here today just to see what's out here first, to make sure that it's really worth me going out here. Now, if you're from Southern Virginia, you've heard stories of this place, and I've never had a chance to actually get out here, but this is the first time, and it's not disappointing at all. Provided me with a map of the place and showed me where to go, so hopefully it doesn't take me too long to get there. Just to give you all an idea of how massive this place is, it's 100 acres. So your normal house is probably like half acre, maybe an acre. This is 100 acres. Look at this. Mind you, there's cars way all out there too. First find of the day, 65 Impala. Super Sport. No, it's a regular, but it is a convertible. I do have parts that I'm going to pull off of this thing. That is the convertible back seat, so I will be taking it. Just the frame, pretty much, but it is here. But this wagon right here has the stainless for the top. Look what's in the back of this thing. If I can get it open. Well, it has a back. Ouch. Bench seat back there. So I'm coming back for that bench seat, baby. Ah! Freaking briar bushes, man. I don't know if you can see it, but just found a 59 Chevrolet Impala Coupe. Definitely seen better days. Oh, gotta go around the sticky bushes. Definitely seen better days. But let's have a ton of tail lights and a fender skirt. Wonder if it has another one in here. This one is rough. Yeah, she's rough. I guess I'll take those though. '64 Impala, 4-door, good grill. Frame actually looks like it's in pretty good condition. No door on it though. Oh wow, look what's beside it though. Bel Air Wagon. Does it have a back seat in it? I can't tell at the moment on the fact that there's a transmission sitting on it, but might have struck a little gold here. Found the granddaddy. '58 Impala. Or what it used to be. He said this one is going to the crusher. There's a lot of things on here that I want to get off of here. Honestly, if I can get this front bumper off, that would be great. Shows a little pitting on it. This is what I want. This right here is a 4-door. I don't know if it's Impala or Bel Air. I think it's a Bel Air. Looking at the side markings on there. See what I gotta go through all of this. Door. Both doors. Transmission, power glide, dash. Whole rear is gone. Tree growing through it. Back part of frame's missing. There's still some good parts on here though. I'm not gonna lie. Or, well, at least that's what they all say. Still some good parts on here. Glass is really good though. 63 Impala hubcap. I need one more of these. And y'all can answer this for me. If it's an older compressor, do they still work? Because I'd love to save myself a lot of money as opposed to buying a new one. But if I need to, I'll buy a new one. Impala wagons, a pair of them. Well, this one's Impala wagon. That one is a Biscayne, I believe. Let's take a look. Ah, these briar bushes, man. Yeah, that's definitely an Impala wagon right there. Inside the 64, the seat is actually in great condition. Got trim in here. Oh, I don't want to touch it with my hands, but I will. Floor mat in great condition. I'm taking that if I can get it loose. I'll get that in a second. Back window glass, rear seat with trim. Wow, yes. Impala rear wagon seat. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. All right, so I can't get it out right now. I will be coming back for it, but look at this condition of this seat. I'm coming back for it Monday morning. It's definitely worth it. I got to figure out how to get it out, but I'm coming back for it. Hello to my little friend. So I had to pick this thing up to walk all the way back out here to get these seats now. It took me about 20 minutes to walk back to the building, 20 minutes to walk back up here to the items. I'm still not there yet. It's way over there. I tried to pull it. I had to leave it in the middle of the road, man. And look, this is the kind of stuff you walk into. Oh, it's almost fell. And this doesn't even roll correctly. Yeah, but for what I found and what I'm going to sell it for, it is what it is. Nothing comes easy. Alright guys, made it back out to the 64 Impala wagon, and actually getting the back seat out, the third row back seat out, was not as hard as I thought. All it did was, so if you go in here, there are two brackets right here. One here, one there. And same on the other side, one there, one there. All I did was take a socket wrench and bow, top is off. I was lucky enough that the back seat was already well, not disassembled, but it was already disconnected. So it came right out, maybe 20 minutes, and bow. third row seat for a 62 to 64 Impala wagon. I'm gonna freaking suck you, heavy third wheel. Not third wheel. It's not a truck. You third row seat. Dang you. How deep is your dedication, man, for this Impala stuff? Look at this. Now, mind you, I pull this from way back here, but way over there. I still have that much to go. So next time anyone questions any person about NOS, Impala parts, not even new old stock parts, just good quality Impala parts, you don't know what that person had to do to get that stuff. So you shouldn't even question the price or try to lowball nobody. Now, mind you, I'm just cheap. I'll go repop all day. But yeah, man, whew, I just found gold. I'm buying it. So yeah, until next time, like, hit that share button, subscribe. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a few. Also, there's 2 other cars that I did pick up and technically already sold, so I'm gonna try to put a picture of that in here somewhere maybe, or I'll talk about it next time. But gotta run. I'll let y'all in a few.